Good morning, friends. I am Dr. A.V. Tripmane, Computer Science Engineering Department from Sharad Institute of Technology College of Engineering. Today, we are going to see about the Python data structure. What actually first the data structure? In data structure is the basically just that the structure which can hold some data together. In other words, they are used to store a collection of related data. Get a definition of data structure. In data structures, simply called as, they are used to store a collection of related data. In Python, there are a built-in a data structure. There are four types of a data structure available. That is first list, second tuple, third dictionary, and finally fourth that is a set. In first, we are going to see the data types available in Python. That is the most related for data structure. That is the first available data types in Python. That is a numeric. Then second dictionary. Third that is a bullet data type. Fourth that is a set data type. Fifth that is a sequence type. In again numeric data type is divided into two types. That is a first is integer and second is a float and third is a complex number. Then sequence type, that is again divided into three types, that is a string, list and tuples. That means your basic data types, that is a divided into five parts. First that is a numeric, second dictionary, third boolean, fourth set and fifth number is a sequence type. Again numeric, there is a divided into sub data type, that is a integer, float and complex number, and sequence type again divided into string, tuples and list. These are the basic data types available in Python. Now we are jump to the basic data structure available in the Python. What types of basic data structure available in your Python? Data structure available in Python, there are two basic data structure available in Python. That is a first in built-in data structure and second in user-built data structure. In built-in data structure, again divided into four part. That is for first is a list, second dictionary, third is tuple and fourth is a set. And user-defined data structure again divided into five parts. That is the first is a stack, then queue, then tree, then linked list, after that graph, and finally that is a hash map function. These are the data structures in Python's available. Now see we one by one data structure available. Those are available in Python. I again repeat definition of data structure. What actually data structure? Data structure simply that they are the structure which can hold some data together. In other words, we have said that they are used to store collection of related data. Now first see the list. What actually the list? A list is a data structure that holds an order collection of an atom. That means you can store sequence of atom in a list. That means here given the order group of atom. That is a list is a order group of atoms, does not need to be the same type. That means could put numbers, string, donkey in the same mode. That means you can define in a list not only numeric value, you can define also for the different data types. List of notation, example given how to define actually list. Here list variable a in square bracket you can define numeric value, that is a 1. Then again what your alphabetic numeric value, that is a, this is a list, again one character C and donkey keyword strong. That means you can define numeric as well as alphanumeric value with the list. Then also list of atoms should be includes square bracket. Remember that the list of atoms should be enclosed in a square bracket so that Python understand that you are the specifying a list. Get it that? How Python understand you specify the list? Simply that is a to enclose a square bracket. Once you have created a list, you can add, remove, search for atom in the list. Since we can add, remove atoms, we say that mutable data type, this is can be altered. That means in this you can add, remove, update, delete the data atom from the list. That is called as a mutable. There are two again term important, mutable and immutable. Those are the list you can add, remove, update list, that is called a mutable, and you cannot for update, delete, remove atom, that is called immutable list. Now see the method of list. What are the method of list available? List dot append, that is a add an atom to the end of a list. If you define this method list dot append, that means you can add an atom to the end of the list. List dot extend, that's capital L. Extend the list by appending all in the given list. Suppose you want to extend your list, that is using simple list dot extend method use, and to extend your whatever your earlier list available, you can extend that particular list. Third method available in list, that is a list dot insert, that is L comma X. Insert an atom at the indices L, that is a capital I, that is for your indices, and X, that is a atom. Suppose you want to insert the new atom in a list, automatically use for list dot insert. The next method available, list dot remove. If you want to remove some items from particular list, that means using this function list dot remove, you can remove that particular items from that particular list. Then next available examples of methods, other methods, whatever you are defining, how to that example. That is a example given here. See a equal to square bracket, that is a defining of a list syntax to defining list in a square bracket. That is defining list 66.25, 333, 333, 1, 1234, 0.5, that is floating value also you can define, that is a defined list. Print a dot count, that means what you want to print, a dot count 333 numbers, a dot count 66.25 numbers, and a dot count x value. Calls methods, simply calls methods, you count up how many times 333 display available in list, how many times 66.25 present in list, and how many times x present in a list, that is a output display as a 210, that means 33 2 times present display as a 2, then 66.25 present as a 1, that is a 1, and x is not present, that is display as a 0. Again second example, a dot index, if you want to find out the indices of that particular atoms, which type of indices present that particular atom. Suppose 333, that means how to find, you already know how to find indices. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 number available list indices starting from 0, that means 0 1 2 3 4. Then if you want to find out indices of that particular atom, that is a 33 atom, a dot indices 333, then finally 1 indices, that is 0 and 1 position 33 present. Then a dot reverse, then if you want to find a reverse, that is a reverse order list, simply put the a automatically, that is a in this way 333, then 1234.5 1 333 minus 1 and 66.25, reverse of that particular list. Then output again for a dot sort, if you want to sort out that particular list, print a list a, simply put it minus 1 1, then 66.25 333 333, and again finally 1234.5. in this way some of the different example use of that different methods. Now using a list as a stack, how to list using as a stack. What is the stack concept? You already know in data structure. What is stack? That is a those are contained in first in, that is a last out, first in last out, and last in first out, that is a philo. What is philo? Those are contained in first inside, that is a last outside, that is a stack. And those are contained LIFO. Those are contained last in side, that is a first outside. Suppose see that the last element added is the first element retrieved. That is to add an atom to the stack. That is a append must be used. That is what you want to sorry. Stack define your list 3, 4, 5. Again you want to 6 element in a stack. Simply use append. That is a stack dot append 6. That means again stack is now 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you want to retrieve an atom from the top of the stack. Pop must be used. That is a stack dot pop. That is a, if you want to outside remove element from that particular stack, you can use simply stack dot pop. That means 6 is if you want to output, then stack is now 3, 4, 5 again. Suppose how to insert and delete element from particular stack. Using your stack dot append function, you can insert element in a stack, and stack using stack dot pop you can remove the element from that particular stack. Now in using a list, what is concept of list? In same definition of data structure list, what is list? As a queue, in queue is a that is a FIFO. Those element you can first insert, that is a first is outside, and LILO, that is those element you can enter last, that is a outside is a last, that is a LILO and FIFO. That is the first element added is the first element retrieved. Those are element first you added, that first element can be retrieved at particular queue. To do this collection, the DQ must be implemented. That means if you want to delete any element, use of the DQ. See the examples in downside. From collection, one collection you define import DQ. What actually the DQ? Q equal to DQ Eric, John and Michael. Q dot append Terry. If you want to add this Terry for that particular queue, again you can Q dot append Grammy. You add these two again, Graham and Terry. First 3 person available, Eric, John and Mitchell. Again you add the 2 person Terry and Graham in that list. Then Q dot pop left. That is a to first to arrive. Now leaves Eric. Now first those are arrived, that is Eric is the leave. Then again Q dot pop left second arrive, now leave John. Q, that is a DQ present Michael, Terry and Graham. See in this example, first 3 element arrive, Eric, John, Michael. Again you put a 2 element Terry and Graham. Again that you left the 2 person, that is who are the 2 person, that is Eric first and John. They are first removed from that particular queue using function Q dot pop left. That means Eric first left and then John. Finally 3 person remaining, that is a Michael, then Terry and Graham. Okay, that means in this way you can insert and delete item from particular list using queues. Simply remember your data structure definition. What happens in stack? Those are element insert in first, that element out remove from last from the particular stack. And in queue, what happens? Those are element insert in the first, that can remove first from that particular queue. Next, list programming tools. What are the list programming tools available in Python? That is a filter, function, comma, sequence. That is syntax of that, defining function and sequence. What is the meaning of filter? Returns a sequence consisting of the atoms from the sequence for which function atom is true. You define directly df f of x, return x modulo 2 not equal to 0 and x modulo 3 is not equal to 0. Then filter f comma range 2 comma 25. Finally output, that is a 5, 7, 11 30, 70, 90, 25. Finally compute the prime up to the 25. That means what you put here, simply filter you put F range defining 2 to 25. Whatever the prime number available in between 2 to 25 you can print here. That is a total 7 prime number available, that is a 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Print as it is in the output list. Then map functions, second function available in Python, that is the map function. That is a map function comma sequence. Call function atom for each of sequence atom. Call of the function atom of each of sequence atom. That means you suppose you define cube x, return x multiplied by x multiplied by x. Map your function, cube function, range defining your 1 to 11. That means also consider in this case 1 and 11. That means your sequence, that is the output display cube of that 1 and 11. That means up to your each sequence of atom call functions. Finally compute the cube for the range of 1 to 11. Now first state what happened? In this case 5 not do not consider, after 2 consider, and last number 25 also not consider. But in this case starting of your number, that is a call function of each of sequence atom. Each number of that sequence atom to be considered. 11 also consider, but 11 not any cube, that is a not, that is a 10, 10 the cube for your 1000, that is a consider and to display. Okay. Then reduce function. What actually reduce function available in Python? That is a reduce function comma sequence. What is a reduce? Return a single value constructed by calling the binary function. Okay, return a single values constructed by calling the binary function. You define def add x comma y, return x plus y. Reduce add comma range 1 comma 11. That means compute the sum of number 1 to 10. That means you can reduce that function using calling the binary, that is xy, return x plus y. Add that particular number range from 1 to 11. Okay, that is 1 to 10 of the sum number will be displayed. Then next the DL statement. The DL statement, it can specify index or range can be deleted. It can specify specific index or range can be deleted. That means a equal to -1 1 66.25 333 1 2 3 4.6 is given. If you want to delete any particular number from that particular list, you can simply mention the index, that is a del a of 0. Del a of 0, that is a you can delete the those are element present in indices 0, that is 0 available, that is -1. -1 can be deleted and remaining list as display as it is, that is a 1 66.25 333 333 and 1234.5. Again you want to delete some specific range. Del a of 2 colon 4, whatever the index available 2 and 4 automatically delete. That means a finally remaining 1 66.25 and 12345. That means 2 to 4 available, 333 333 this number can be deleted. Finally you want to del all the numbers, you can simply mention del a of colon, automatically delete whole the list. Next, for tuple. In the tuples, what actually the tuples? In this, a number of values separated by commas. See, what happen in your list? List can be separated by comma, but define value in your square bracket. In tuple, what happen? Tuple, you can define a list using a separated by commas, and this is tuple called as immutable. What is a immutable? Immutable is a cannot assign a value to individual atom of a tuple, and however tuples can contain mutable objects such as a list. That means tuple, what happened tuple, you cannot remove and add atom in a tuple, that is called as immutable. That is the difference between mutable and immutable. Mutable use in your list. Why use list? Because you can add and delete atom from particular list, and tuple is called as immutable because you cannot remove and add element in the list. That is immutable called as cannot assign a value to individual atom of a tuple, and how a tuple can be contained mutable objects such as a list. That is a you defining t equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 and hello. That is a t of 0 1 2 3 4 5 is a display. T of you defining the bracket, that is a here round bracket defined. Remember syntax. You defining list of tuples. How to remember that? How to Python identify if you define a list or tuples. So in list defining only for using square bracket, and tuple is defined using of your round bracket. Then tuple may be nested, that is u equal to t 1 2 3 4 5 and u finally whatever the number defined display as it is. Then single atom must be defined using a comma. Whatever your single atom defined in a tuple to defining using by a comma, that is a singleton equal to hello. Then next, that is a set. In set is defining. How to defining set? A set an unordered collection with no duplicate element. An unordered collection with no duplicate element, that is called as a set. Remember, in set there is a unordered sequence collection with low duplicate element. That is a, suppose your example basket. What happen in basket? You are defining number of element, that is apple, orange, apple, pear. Fruit set, you print the basket. Fruit set, orange, apple, pear. That means those are duplicate number available, cannot be print in your set. Only at a time one number only present. What happened in this example? Apple, orange, apple, pear. Apple is present 2 times. That means no duplicate value. That means at a time you print the set, print only 1 time to the one element. That is apple is 2 times present, but at the display only display as a 1 time. That is a no duplicate element that particular list. Yeah. Then dictionary. What happened in a dictionary? Dictionary is a index by keys. This can be any immutable type, string or numbers. Tuples can be used if they contain only immutable object. See, remember, in dictionary, how to define dictionary? Define dictionary using for the curly brackets. Okay, syntax for defining dictionary's name equals to curly bracket and using the pair of keys. Suppose example here given, tell equals to curly bracket open jack colon 409. That means a pair of a numeric as well as number. SAP colon 4139, that is a numeric as well as your characters. That means simply if you taken the your class example, you can define a pairs of value, that is a roll number with the associated with name. Roll number 1 colon XYZ, roll number 2 colon ABC, roll number 3 colon PQR, roll number 4 roll number 4 colon PQR. In this way you can define it. That means dictionary, if you want to define in your program, that time remember to define using the curly bracket and using the pair of a keys. Again, if you want to delete some element, that is a here one list display, that is a shape, 0 and jack. If you jack, tail jack, automatically what is the number with available jack automatically display here. If you using del, tail shape, that is a tail reverse 4127, automatically that delete that particular numbers. Then long looping, that is a looping techniques. How to looping technique used for in your dictionaries. Here iterate atoms, that is for retrying keys and values through a dictionaries. That is the example given here. K knights equal to gallant the pure, robbing the brave. For K in K nights or a trace atom, print K. Finally, gathering the pure and robbing the brave. That is display. Again, second function, looping techniques available. Enumerate. For position, index and value in a sequence, what was the position available, that value as it is displayed. That is, if using example for loop, for I, V in enumerate, tick, tag, top, print I and V. What is I and V? In tick number available, index position 0, 1, 2. That is 0 number available tick, 1 number available tag and 2 number available top. That is a index position will be displayed using enumerate. That is a definition. Position, index and value in a sequence. That is a 0 tag 0, 1, 2. 0 position available tick as it is display, 1 position available tag as it is display, and 2 indices available toy as it display. Next, that is a zip. For looping over a 2 or more sequence. If you want to zip for looping over 2 or more sequences, that is a question here. Name, Q test, favorite color. Another defining landscape, the holy grail and blue. For Q, A in zip, question and answer. What is print? What is your 0 indices? It is a 1 format Q, that is 0. What is your name? It is a, what is your name? It is a blanket. Then what is your quest? The holy grail. And finally, the what is your favorite color? It is a blue. That means you can zip also your particular sequence, 2 or more sets. Then comparison. In operator in and not in can be used to see if an atom exists in a sequence. We already seen in and not in. Here, that is a in and not in can be used to see if an atom exists in a sequence. Comparison can be changed. Minus A less than B equal to C. The test whether A is a less than B and B and that B equals to C. Then now in this lecture we have seen that is a data structure. What types of data structure available in your Python? First data structure available in Python, that is a list. What is a list? That is a order sequence. You can remove and add element in a list. How to define a list? List is defining using of a list of name equals to in square bracket. Also, list is your mutable. Why mutable? Because you can add and remove item from particular list. Second thing, tuple. What is tuple? Tuple is a immutable function. That means you cannot be removed from add and remove from particular list. Okay, and how to define tuple? Tuple name equals to in your round bracket. Third case, you see the set. How to? That is a set. To defining a set, simply using the value defined in single quotas. And finally, fourth, that is data structure. We have seen here, that is a dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary is a pair of keys. That is a best example. That is, you can roll number associated with the name. That is a dictionaries. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to all.